Hello everyone again
Japanese
for another unboxing video, fun boxing video with me, Steven Uy and Sean Madrazo. Before we start unboxing this City Corner X Otoy, MOETCH X Otoy City Corner, remember to click like, subscribe, and the notification bell. And if you have not joined our contest, you get to win at either Silk or Black Widow. Courtesy of Artifacts Kotobukiya.
Arigatos.
Courtesy of Arigatoys.
This is the third set release of this character. But I think the first one was of a different brand. Then from MOETCH, this is the second set release.
Okay. If he is wrong, just notify us at the bottom comment section.
So there's 6 regular figures and 1 chase. And inside there are 8 balls.
8 balls again.
So this is the look.
There's the insert. Yan.
Then these are the 8 yellow balls.
8 yellow balls.
Okay, so we're opening.
Open by taking this seal off again.
So the capsule itself is a bird, not a bird. The Coco Pig is a pig, not a capsule also. Also done by MOETCH. So first 2.
What's that?
So
okay, that's
an
a secret background.
So there are accessories inside, which we would rather not open because they're too small.
And a while ago it was cardboard. This now is plastic.
Yes, it's a standard.
Okay, yes, to standard.
Okay, so all of them have accessories.
And also inside is the little birdie.
Inside the ball is a little birdie.
Yes, inside the ball is a little pig. Oh, it's smaller than I thought. That's what he said. It's a clamshell. Diyan punin ah.
Press mo.
So there you go. It's a bird with a hat with a propeller on top.
It's
There's
actually
Bebe on the back. Bebe. There is number 1. Just
so it has 2 faces. The hat and the face. Okay, this is the first one. Second one.
Second one. Tweet.
I-assemble na ba natin?
All of them have hats. This one has a this one is advertising.
This one, ano ba yung una? Their names naman. In Chinese, Xiao something. So
okay, this one is carrying pamphlets to give away as advertising. And it gets 50% off on his head.
So the accessories for the second one is a storefront with a sign.
No, this one doesn't even have a clamshell anymore. Kasi wala siyang hat. This one doesn't have a hat. So, it's a sushi chef ata. This looks like a sushi chef. He is holding the soy sauce fish.
Soy sauce fish?
Yung the
container.
The soy sauce inside the fish container. Yeah. So with the bandana at the back. Would you trust a bird as your sushi chef?
At least you know it's fresh.
Yes, you know this first. This storefront, there's the Japanese lantern, there's sapitan and all that.
Fourth one is this guy.
Again?
Him again. So, not opening.
Opening anymore?
Fifth one.
Nakalay ba dyan? Ah, okay. You buy the sport one. Okay, this one doesn't have a clamshell as well. What is this? This is the Tweety Bird. I guess with a raincoat or something, or sweater.
Pikachu hat.
With a Mickey Mouse hat. Yellow. Bootleg Mickey Mouse hat.
Wala mo naman sabi bootleg.
Because it's not black.
But it's not Mickey Mouse. The accessory.
The accessories for this is a it's a vending machine. Okay, the accessories for this is a vending machine selling milk. Okay. That is number. Oh, this has the most accessories with height. What is this? What? Sewer? Okay, this is the accessories that comes with it. I have no idea what it forms to. There's a fridge under the bottom there.
May ano?
May ref eh. Ito.
It's a fire.
It's a sewer worker.
Ay, hindi. Aircon eh. It's a worker. Kasi may wrench and
Okay, so it's good.
it's just a regular worker.
Oh, this is a handyman, construction worker. There you go.
Repairman.
He has a hard hat. So he works at construction sites.
Last two. So we got the one with the vending machine.
Again.
No chase again.
No, there's the last one. You don't know.
Eh, you have 5 pa lang eh.
Yeah.
So
We got
ito yung last.
the 2 doubles already. I am not
Guwapo.
an expert of these mystery boxes. I apologize. So this is the final one. This is the final one. It has hazards on. It has a clamshell again.
So ano, parang the feature of this is if it's opened already, you can't put it back. This will break. So you know if it's opened or not.
So this is the last one. A guy guiding traffic. Construction traffic. There you go.
It will never go back. Okay, so this is the whole set. Okay, so there's 6.
There's the 6 figures. Oh no, I can't open it again. Nababali nga. Yes, I see it. I see it now.
Oh, say goodbye.
So yeah, sorry I got distracted. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little mini opening of ours. Mini unboxing. See you on the next video. Remember, we have 2 contests going on. The Silk or Black Widow free, or you got MJ or LeBron Pops. So bye bye. See you again on the next unboxing video.